Home improvement is something that most homeowners take pride in doing themselves. However, only some DIY projects end up being success stories. Many DIY home improvement projects fail, leaving the homeowner with a mess and a hole in their wallet. From botched paint jobs to disastrous plumbing projects, DIY home improvement fails are common. This video will look closely at some of the most common DIY home improvement fails, why they happen, and how to avoid them. So, if you're considering a DIY home improvement project, read on to learn from the mistakes of others. Home improvement projects can be both exciting and fulfilling. There's nothing like the sense of accomplishment that comes with completing a project that improves your living space. However, only some DIY projects end up being success stories. Many DIY home improvement projects fail, leaving the homeowner with a mess to clean up and a hole in their wallet. From botched paint jobs to disastrous plumbing projects, DIY home improvement fails are common. In this video, we'll look closely at some of the most common DIY home improvement fails, why most happen, and how to avoid them. Why DIY home improvement fails happen. One of the main reasons why DIY home improvement projects fail is a need for more experience or knowledge. Many homeowners need to pay more attention to the amount of work that goes into a home improvement project and ends up over their heads. They may need the necessary tools or know-how to complete the project correctly, which can lead to mistakes and accidents. Another reason why DIY home improvement fails happen is due to rushing the project. Homeowners may be in a hurry to finish the project, so they may cut corners or skip necessary steps. This can lead to a poor quality result that must be up to code or safe to use. Finally, DIY home improvement fails can happen due to inadequate planning. Homeowners may need to clearly understand what they want to achieve, leading to confusion and mistakes. Without a solid plan, it's easy to become overwhelmed and make mistakes that can be costly to fix. Common DIY home improvement fails. Painting mishaps. Painting is one of the most common DIY home improvement projects, but it can also go wrong quickly. Homeowners may need to use the correct type of paint, apply the paint unevenly, or prepare the surface properly. As a result, the paint job may look sloppy or peel and chip over time. Plumbing disasters. Plumbing is another DIY home improvement project that can quickly become a disaster. Homeowners may need the right tools or know-how to fix a plumbing issue, leading to leaks or flooding. Electrical woes. DIY electrical work can be hazardous. Homeowners may not know how to properly handle electrical wiring, which can lead to electrocution or fires. Electrical work should always be left to a licensed professional. Avoiding DIY home improvement fails. The good news is that proper planning and preparation can prevent many DIY home improvement failures. Before starting any project, it's essential to research and ensures you have the tools, materials, and knowledge to complete the project correctly. Having a solid plan, including a timeline and budget, is also good. If you need help completing a home improvement project, seeking professional help is always best. A licensed contractor can help you avoid costly mistakes and ensure your project is up to code and safe to use. While it may be tempting to save money by doing the work yourself, it may cost you more in the future if you hire someone to fix your mistakes. DIY home improvement projects can be a great way to improve your living space, but they can also quickly become a disaster if not done correctly. You can avoid many expected DIY home improvement fails by planning and preparing for your project perfectly. And if you need help with a project, it's always best to seek professional help. Remember, there's no shame in admitting that you need help. It can save you time, money, and frustration in the long run. Thanks for watching. Learn more at homeimprovement89.com. Click the link in the description now.